Sitting here thinking about all the things that you've been through. It wasn't easy growing up, but baby girl, you made it through.
What's up, guys? So today I'm here with Hurela hair. They finally changed up their packaging and stuff. So we got this box branded Hurela. Alright, so we got, you know, a weight cap and a bag with goodies inside and a thank you card. Also list their social media platforms and stuff. So in the bag I have a pair of lashes. I also have a band here on the inside. I have another wig cap. And we got this cute little gift box. Let's see what's inside. Oh, so have like a necklace on the inside, a chain here. Oh, and a pendant. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. This is like a really nice costumey kind of like chain. I don't know if you guys can see clearly, but it's like a heart. It's like two hearts and a cross. This is so cute. But yeah, that's what I got in the box. Cute little gift. So shout out to Hurela for that. Really nice. Then, oh, before I get in, so I have the wig, of course. And got this. I got a headband here. I got this headband. It's a really cute design. And I got a drawstring bag. It's not branded or anything, but it's good for storage. And that's everything in the box. Okay guys, so for today's wig we have a gorgeous curly textured closure wig. Okay, it's a nice closure. It has 4 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back. It's nice. It feels, you know, soft for the most part. Put all the specifications as it relates to that in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Also, this wig is 20 inches long. All right, I feel like I would want the curls to feel a little softer though, but for the most part they are defined. Closure wigs are always easier to apply, and of course it's of like a 1B color. So that's how that looks. So let's go ahead and jump into putting this on. So it did come with like a pre-parted area in the center there, and it's nicely snug. I love how that it's not like tight or anything, but it fits just right. It's a medium cap that I got as well, and it looks really nice. It's lightly plucked. If you want to go in and pluck more, you definitely can. It feels really good. The lace looks really good against my skin. I'm going to be using just Got To Be for the install, because this is going to be like a short-term install for me. I'm just going to focus on applying the lace portion as usual. So I'm going to kind of like speed through this portion. I'm going to use, as I said before, my Got To Be and my blow dryer on cool air, and just get this nice and melted.
Thinking about all the things that you've been through. It wasn't easy growing up, but baby girl, you made it through. And I'm so proud of you. The you that you've become is beautiful. You're beautiful. I'd climb the mountain for you, swim through the ocean for your love. I just want you to know I'm down for the cause. You're finally loving who you are, perfectly flawless, you're a star. Your beauty is by far the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And I'm loving me, it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me. I'm loving me, it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me.
Like the lace, it's melted in, and I haven't done much. All I do is, as you see, I went ahead and I used my elastic band and then I go over it with the blow dryer, and it really helped to even, you know, camouflage it in more. No baby hairs, nothing, not done, no swoops. The lace is really, really nice. So that's a plus so far. Now I'm just gonna work on flattening everything down, and I'm gonna be trying out my Kendra's Boutique hot comb for the first. I feel like I really wanted to just upgrade. Oh, I can see the steam coming from it. I wanted to just like get a hot comb that would like lay the root of the wig immediately. This is the first time I'm turning it on, and it's up to 3, I think it goes all the way up to 450. See them lace here now on a lace closure wig. This definitely get a vibe like you're wearing a lace front, and you're not, because like, I don't know, it looks so good and not much is done to it. I'm gonna do light swoops, but I'm gonna go ahead and lay it with my hot comb first, get it really flat at the top and stuff. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty nice.
It's me, it's me. I am loving me. It's me, it's me, it's me, it's me. You used to cry yourself to sleep every night. You'd walk around, head hanging down.
Okay. Manala, the flat iron, this hot comb, yeah, I'm super happy I got it. I turned it up to 500 just to test it, but I have to turn it back down. Yeah, I have to turn this back down to like 375. I just did that test it. I wouldn't like try to like always use that, but it's too hot, and it lays perfectly at 375 because I was at 350 actually. Guys, the lace is super undetectable. I know you see that. Yeah. I'm gonna give this, so far I'm gonna give this a 10. This whole construction of the closure and the look, the lace, everything, 10, because I'm completely done with the installation portion of this closure wig. All I need to go ahead now is just get it nice and, you know, juicy and wet. You could go ahead and rock it in its natural state, but I'm gonna go ahead, get a little glammed, and I'm gonna come back and do that. You could definitely go ahead and wear the wig as is. You really could. It looks really good. This is where it's at on me. You know, it's looking pretty nice. And as I said, the lace is giving, it's not giving lace closure wig, it's giving lace front. You could go ahead, pull it behind your ear. It looks good. It looks really good. But I'm gonna go ahead and give this the wet look. So I'm just gonna use some conditioner and water to get it very nice and juicy and defined. So let's go.
You know you're tired of pretending. Don't do it. I'd climb the mountain for you, swim through the ocean for your love. I just want you to know I'm down for the cause. You're finally loving who you are.
So guys, I'm all done with applying the mixture to it, which is just some conditioner and water. That's it. This is how it looks. I also use some of my Naked at Home Glow Finishing Gloss because I found that I wanted a little bit more sheen. You know, when you have the fresh, nice, juicy wave and you want it to be like glistening, so I just added a bit. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I love the way it's looking. Guys, I love it. Shout out to Hurela for today's wig. As I said, I also got shedding a little bit more than I would like. As you know, I did show you, so I did get a little bit more strands than I would like. But it's very full. It's full. It's nice, and the curls really turned out to be really nice and defined. So that's not bad at all. Really, really love the construction. So yeah, I'm going to be sure to put the link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out. All the specifications will be listed, so if you're interested you can go ahead and get it for yourself. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thanks to Hurela here once more for sponsoring today's video. guys. Also, don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel. That's where I post my daily vlogs, my lifestyle content. You know, it's a lot of fun over there, honestly. You know, just go ahead and check it out. PETITE-SUE TV. And yeah, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.